Hi everyone, I'm Bethany the Booktastic Mom, and today I have a book outlet haul. I'm so happy you're here today, guys. Thank you for clicking on the video. I have a book outlet haul for you today. I did a book outlet haul probably about a month ago where I shared my book outlet finds, and of course my addiction to the book outlet haul has increased and I've gotten even more books to show you today. Why are you addicted to book outlet, you say? Well, let me tell you why this online store is awesome. Well, number one, the books are cheap. Already cheap, super low prices for brand new books. Second, they always have some kind of sale going on. They have, the least I've seen is 15% off your entire purchase. They've had 20, 25, buy two books, get one free. They always have some discount on top of the already discounted books. Next, they always have free shipping on orders $35 and less. So that's awesome. And then last, as an extra bonus, I have a $10 off referral code, and you could use that $10 off on top of all the other discounts. So you are getting these books for a few dollars a piece, $2, $3, sometimes more. But I would say the majority of my books that I got here are in that price range. So with all that excitement that I have, let me share the books that I got. Now, some are for our homeschool classroom. If you're new here, I do a morning basket video every week for my kindergartner, going through the alphabet with different themes, like A is for apple, B is for butterfly, C is for cow, and I get inexpensive books to add to that book basket. Some are just fun educational books for my kids, and some of these are Christmas gifts as well. So let me start with the first one. It is the 12 Days of Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving's coming up in about a month and a half. Can you believe it? I cannot believe it is almost Thanksgiving. So this one is kind of like the 12 Days of Christmas. So you count down the days. So this one says, on the first day of Thanksgiving, I was thankful for an evening at home with family. And it goes through your fifth day, they're thankful for leaves. Seventh day, playing sports with family. So these are just all kinds of activities that you do on Thanksgiving. This one I think is funny. It says, on the 10th day of Thanksgiving, I was thankful for 10 uncles baking. And then it goes through all the ones before. So it's just kind of like the 12 Days of Christmas song. And then it even has some stickers in the back, so this one was a great find. Next, I have some National Geographic kids books. These are going to be for my oldest for Christmas. She loves these National Geographic fact books. This one's called Myths Busted 3. So this one kind of has all kinds of things that you thought were true, and they actually aren't. Like this one, it says you can tell a ladybug's age by counting its spots. And it says it's a myth. I actually never heard that before. So it's just all kinds of fun facts about animals and myths. Sloths sleep all the time. That's a cute picture. So she is going to love that one. Next is Quiz Whiz. 1,000 super fun, mind-bending, totally awesome trivia questions. So this one looks like this will be fun addition to our classroom. We had a Usborne book that was animal trivia that we did for school last year, where I would sit and read all the trivia questions and they would try to guess the answers. So this one looks like a lot of fun, and of course all the answers are in the back, because I need the answers. Next is a book that I loved as a kid, and I saw this and I'm like, this was like my favorite book as a kid. I don't really remember it much, but I remember that I loved it, and it is Wayside School is Falling Down. I'm gonna try to read this to my kids and see if it's appropriate still. Who knows? But I remember this lunch lady was serving mush. And so it's just a kind of a chapter book here that would be a fun read aloud with my girls. And next I got 2 books to go with our Gather Round Homeschools Living Off the Land curriculum. I recently shared a flip through of that curriculum. If you're interested, I'll put a card up here. And it's all about pioneer history and moving westward. So this one's called Wagon Trails and Settlers. This kind of goes through all the different things that the people had to do when they were moving west. So this one looks like it's going to be a great addition to our classroom. And next I have Who Were the American Pioneers and Other Questions About Westward Expansion. So this one goes all through the different routes that they took. About gold fever. How they build their first homes. School. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like all my knowledge of history of this time period is all from Little House on the Prairie. So when I see certain things, I'm like, oh yeah, I remember that episode when they went for the gold rush or when they built their home. And so I hope to have a little bit more knowledge of what really happened and not what happened in a television series. Next is Discovery Science Birds. We are currently doing a bird science unit study from The Good and the Beautiful, and I did a flip through of that one as well, so if you're interested in seeing that, I'll put a card. So this one has all kinds of pictures of birds, all about birds, flying. We actually just did that unit, and feathers. So this is going to go perfectly with our curriculum. How to make a bird book, so it has activities, feeding the birds. It even has a quiz in the back, which of course my girls are gonna love that. Next is a Christmas gift for my youngest, who's in kindergarten, and this is Stickerpedia. Has over 8,000 stickers inside. So this is just an activity book. Where it has all kinds of places to put the stickers. As you can see here, here's all the stickers. There are tons of them. So many different topics are covered. So she is going to love this one. Next, these books are for my middle daughter, who is 9, for Christmas, and she loves cats. So first is How to Draw Cats and Kittens. And she's really into art. She's going to start taking art lessons soon. So this kind of gives you a step-by-step instructions on how to draw these cats. This one is called I Love Cats Activity Book. So this one has cat breeds, how to draw cats like the other book. Certain cat activities, you can make a kitty disco ball, some crossword puzzles, some fun things to punch out like a bookmark, some little cat figurines to play with, and some stickers. So she is going to love this one. And here's another Cats and Kittens Drawing and Activity book. I actually had all these in my cart, and I was just going to buy 2 of them, and I bought 3 of them by mistake. But that's okay, because I think she's going to enjoy all of these. So this one is another cat drawing book. And I really like this one because it comes with a tracing page in here, so they can trace the kitten. And then it teaches you how to do the box grid for drawing. And then of course it has some fun activities in here as well. And then for my oldest, who is already taking art lessons and loves to draw animals, I got her How to Draw Dogs and Puppies, and this one's kind of a little bit more advanced. And she loves dogs, so this here, kind of like the cat book, gives you step-by-step instructions on how to draw the different animals. And next is Where's the Unicorn? A Magical Search Book. My girls have always loved search and find books. So for this one, you need to go in the book. It's kind of like a Where's Waldo type of book where you need to find the unicorns in the picture here. Let's see if I can find a unicorn. Oh, let's see right here. There's a unicorn's head right there. So this one will be a lot of fun. I got this one because when we're doing our book baskets, U is going to be for unicorn. So this one will go in her book basket, and then in the back it has the answers. And last, I got this book. I picked it up for Easter, so I'm well prepared. It's the Berenstain Bears Easter Fun Sticker and Activity Book. And just so you know, with Book Outlet, once things are gone, they are gone. So that's why I'm buying this Easter thing now, because if it's sold out by then, you can't get it anymore. So this is just a Berenstain Bears Easter themed activity book. And this one is faith-based. So it's all kinds of little activities. Here. So this one will go in to our Easter book basket, and I bought 2 so my middle daughter can do it as well. I actually bought 3 by mistake, so I'll give this to a friend for Easter. And another thing is I did get a few more books, but they are Christmas themed. But I have planned that I'm going to do a separate Book Outlet Christmas theme haul. So make sure you subscribe so you can see that video when it comes out. And another thing, if you love Usborne books, Book Outlet has a ton of Usborne books that are available now and some that are discontinued, and they're really cheap. So that's another tip for getting some Usborne books on a budget. Again, don't forget my referral code down below for $10 off your Book Outlet order, and all the different ways that you could save and buy all kinds of awesome books for gifts for friends and for your kids at a great price. I love sharing sales and deals. I'm so excited for you to save some money on some of your gifts this year. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please give it a thumbs up and please hit that bell to be notified for a future upload. I want to thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. Bye, everyone.